In 1513, Juan Ponce de Leon led an expedition north from Puerto Rico. He landed on the east coast of what is now Florida, naming it La Florida, meaning land of flowers, because he arrived during the Easter season, known as Pascua Florida in Spanish.
Hello, we've just arrived in Miami and we're going to have a little look around Bayside.
Bayside, yeah, we've booked a boat trip, so we're going to have a little wander around to see what's going on here, and we'll get on the boat. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bayside Marketplace, Miami is one of the city's most iconic waterfront destinations, blending shopping, dining, entertainment, and scenic views into a vibrant experience for locals and tourists alike. Situated on Biscayne Bay, right in downtown Miami, Bayside offers stunning views of the water and the Miami skyline. Its open-air design with palm-lined walkways and marina vibes. There are over 150 stores, ranging from fashion boutiques and jewelry shops to souvenir stalls and artisan vendors. You will find a wide variety of restaurants and eateries, from casual bites to waterfront fine dining. Popular spots include seafood grills, Cuban cafes, and international cuisine. Many restaurants offer outdoor seating with bay views. A major attraction is the live music held on a daily basis in the Central Plaza, from Latin, jazz, and reggae. Boat tours are very popular. They depart from Bayside to explore Biscayne Bay, Star Island, and celebrity homes, not to mention the Miami skyline. Enjoy a 200-foot observation wheel with climate-controlled gondolas and glass-bottom floors for panoramic views.
The third one, but it has a tiki bar, it's a white mansion. Tiene como un tiki, es blanca y tiene unas sombrillas. Did you see it? Yeah? Okay, that is the house of the famous Spanish actor Antonio Banderas. Hola Antonio. El zorro, ¿eh? Ahí está Antonio, el zorro. Chao, chao. Enjoy. Look on the right now. Right now. A la derecha. We're going to be the whole time. Right, left, right. Get ready. Look at this 3-story white mansion. La tres pisos blanca. That is the house of the famous Puerto Rican singer Ricky Martin. ¡Épala! Living la vida loca. Hola, Ricky. Ahí cuando la vimos hace 2 semanas estaba en la piscina. Nos dijo joven. And look, this one with the blue boat, con el bote azul, belongs to one of my favorite actors, Mr. Will Smith. This is Will Smith with the boat, the blue boat, con el bote azul. Really nice.
So if you visit Miami, for us, Bayside is a must. Now, whether you book a meal or just want to drink and watch a world go by, you can book a boat tour and go around that Miami Bay, which is quite impressive. You can go on the Ferris wheel. There's a Hard Rock Cafe. There's plenty of shops if you want to do a bit of shopping. You know, it's definitely a place to kill a few hours. So, you know, we would fully recommend having a trip to Bayside.
A la derecha tenemos el destino financiero. Tenemos rico. I'm glad, because that's why we're here, to have a good time. Sí, para eso estamos acá, para pasarla lindo, para disfrutar. Mira lo que les digo. Ella le vio a Justin Bieber también, mi amiga, fanática de Justin Bieber. So guys, if you want to go to review Miami Veronica, el segundo más alto de Miami, uno de los arquitectos argentinos, para mis amigos de Argentina, y segundo Aston Martin, 66 pisos. Oh, that is the Sapphire. Really nice, that one, I love it. you already know. Okay.
If it's thrill-seeking you are after, then look no further than Miami Speedboat Tours, and you will enjoy high-speed sightseeing around Miami Beach. Big bus tours from Bayside offer hop-on hop-off double-decker buses covering South Beach, Wynwood, Little Havana, as well as other Miami districts.
We're going to pop in here for one. So there's always a great atmosphere and good vibe going on here at Bayside, and look at this guy here, I mean, he's got the moves, you know. Great atmosphere at this place. Well, I think that's the whole point, isn't it? To try and space people out a bit.
Just waiting for it to go.
So we checked out the hotel, and it was day of embarkation, and we were following this online, and you know, we saw some awful remarks saying the place was packed, you know, the queues were hideous, you know, avoid this place. But it was a breeze, absolute breeze. This cruise terminal is huge, you know, they've got these facial recognition machines, and it was an absolute breeze, you know, getting onto the ship. Now the only disappointment was actually getting on board the ship. The gangway was absolutely tiny. It's like the entrance to the ship was just so underwhelming. And that's a real shame, because the ship is huge and it's spectacular. I'm not saying it's a design flaw with MSC World America, but they've definitely missed a trick here, you know, with the entrance to the ship. So we've got a few shots of the sailaway out of Miami, which is spectacular. Hope you enjoy, and we'll catch you soon. Thanks very much for watching. This is Miami, MSC World America. And if you want more MSC World America, we've got ship tours, we've got deck tours, we've got bar crawls, got it all going on. So check out the channel if you want to see more on MSC World America. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.